Redis installation from file, source file. Go to the redis.io, then go to download link, and here you will get the latest table. Current table is a 4.0.6. Download the source file and save the source file. Here the source file is being saved in downloads folder, downloads directory in my Mac machine. I move to downloads folder, then cd or sorry tar, this is a tar file, so tar xvf source file, and it will extract. Now go to inside the source folder and make it. The make command will prepare the source file as executable for this machine. It will take a little bit time. Wait for a second. Okay, done. Then make install. Make install will install the Redis here in my machine. Then Redis server ampersand will make it background. Here Redis 4.0.6 version installed, 64-bit version, running as standalone mode, port 6379 and process ID 6267. Now whether need to check Redis has installed and running perfectly. Redis CLI mode, return Pong. Nice. Now Redis is working perfectly.